Ineffective data structuring strangles analytics productivity through skewed reporting. Without precise relevance between tables, fields, and business functions, dashboard outputs mislead planning. Subject matter experts spread thin double-validating analysis reconcile against actual operations. Leadership questions why analytics investments show little returns improving performance with inconsistent data integrity. Master applied data modeling for business intelligence through this hands-on certification. Attendees work through techniques organizing, relating and defining data sets, delivering cohesion to analytics users enterprise-wide. Graduates apply governance ensuring structured continuity from root transaction records through reporting outputs, bridging IT and end consumer data reliability needs. Equipped experts inject trust into data analytics, fueling decision-making, planning and performance optimization. Business leaders can pivot strategies with credibility based on alignment between outputs and business realities through connected data sets. Register today to implement elite data management foundations, powering analytics returns across the enterprise with measurable competitive advantage.